All you need to do this is the latest version of the Roblox app, and you need to install this app called Island that's gonna allow us to clone the Roblox app to log into multiple accounts. First, open up the Play Store or the App Store and download this app called Island from Oasis Fang. After you download this app and you open it up, you should see this window. What you have to do is search for Roblox on the main LAN tab and make sure you copy this app by clicking on the plus sign at the bottom right corner of the screen. After you clone this app, you will see it on the Island tab. Now, all you have to do is open up the first Roblox account manually, so just open up the Roblox app as usual and log into the first account you want to use. Now, to log into the other accounts, just open up the Island app, search for Roblox, and change the tab to Island. In the Island tab, search for Roblox, click on it, and then click on this blue arrow at the right side of the Roblox name. When you click this, it's gonna ask you to turn on Work Profile, and after you turn this on, it will take you into another instance of the Roblox app where you may now log into your second Roblox account. If I change tabs here, you can see that I have two Roblox apps running on my phone and I can play both accounts at once on mobile. As soon as it loads, you can change the tabs and look at both apps and both accounts at the same time. You can see the new Island Roblox is now properly loaded and I'm logged into another account, and this allows me to use multiple Roblox accounts at the same time on mobile.